Hello everyone, it's Cici from techTongBo bring you great product. A simple yet practical solution for storing your vacuum cleaner and other accessories. You can freely arrange them in different positions without taking up much space. This rack is made of carbon steel, ensuring it is corrosion resistant and rust-proof. The widened base measures 22 multiplied by 29 cm, providing stability and sturdiness to the stand. Now let's demonstrate the installation process. Voila, the rack is all set up. Let's take a look at the back panel, which features multiple holes for conveniently securing most vacuum cleaner models. Now we can neatly place all these accessories on the rack. It looks tidy and convenient, doesn't it? Thank you for watching. If you are interested in this product, please don't hesitate to contact us. We will be more than happy to assist you.